Okay, just going to install our new LED for the 2AA Maglites. With the head, you don't need to take your reflector out at all, so that can go back in, and you can put your lens and everything straight on. So that can be one part. Now I've got my 2AA with the xenon bulb taken out. You simply can just grab the new LED with the two prongs, put it straight in, and then your reflector can just screw on. Screw it all the way down. There's the LED installed. Two batteries in, tail cap on. Do that up nice and tight. Now it's not on because it's fully screwed down, and you just simply unscrew it to turn it on. So it screws all the way down, it'll turn the LED off, and then you just can unscrew it and it'll turn it on. Not much of a turn to turn it on, and then you can focus it in, but it will be quite focused as soon as you turn it on.